Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to make your lives a whole lot easier with 10 game-changing life hacks. We're talking simple, quick fixes that take less than 10 minutes but deliver huge results. From banishing stinky shoe odors to organizing that cable chaos, we've got you covered. So buckle up, smash that like button because we're about to dive into a world of easy wins.
Alright guys, let's kick things off with a problem we've all faced. Stinky shoes. You know that feeling when you take off your shoes and it's like a biohazard zone? But don't worry, I've got the easiest solution ever. Remember those tea bags you use for, well, tea? Grab 2 of those bad boys. Yep, that's it, just 2 regular tea bags. Now, take those tea bags and pop them right into your shoes. 1 in each shoe, like they're chilling on a tiny couch. Leave them overnight, and I'm telling you, by morning, it's like a fresh start for your feet. Those tea bags absorb all the bad smells, leaving your shoes smelling neutral again. It's seriously life-changing.
Okay, next up we're tackling that universal struggle of needing a phone stand right now. You know the feeling you're trying to watch a video, join a video call, or just have your phone propped up, but you don't have a stand handy. Well, guess what? You probably already have the perfect solution in your pocket or on top of your head sunglasses. Seriously, those trusty shades double as an awesome phone stand. Just take them off, flip them upside down, and boom! You've got yourself a stable, stylish phone stand. The arms of the sunglasses create the perfect cradle for your phone, and the earpieces keep it from tipping over. It's so simple, yet so genius.
Shall we begin?
All right, let's talk about beating the heat. We all know how unbearable those scorching summer days can be, because there's nothing worse than wanting a cold drink to cool down and having to wait forever for it to chill in the fridge. It's like watching paint dry, right? But hold on. I've got a super speedy hack to get those drinks ice cold in just 2 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Just 2 minutes. Grab your drink of choice soda, juice, whatever you're craving, and let's get started. You'll also need a sheet of paper towel. Trust me, this is the magic ingredient. Now get that paper towel wet so it's good and soaked. Make sure it's thoroughly drenched. Wrap that wet paper towel around your drink like you're swaddling a little beverage baby. Be gentle but firm. Make sure it's completely covered for maximum chill power. No part of the drink should be left exposed. Now pop that wrapped up drink into the freezer. Find a nice spot where it can sit undisturbed. Set a timer for 2 minutes and don't forget to keep an eye on it. Get ready for some ice cold magic. The anticipation is part of the fun. The wet paper towel speeds up the cooling process, creating a mini ice chamber around your drink. So in just 2 minutes, your drink will be perfectly chilled, almost like it came straight out of an icebox, and ready to quench your thirst. Enjoy that refreshing ice-cold beverage and stay cool.
Pancakes. They're fluffy, delicious, and the ultimate breakfast treat. Whether you like them with syrup, berries, or a dollop of whipped cream, they never fail to bring a smile to your face. But let's be real, making them can be a messy affair. The kitchen counter ends up looking like a war zone, with batter splatters everywhere, batter dripping everywhere, uneven pancakes. It's a struggle. You try to pour the batter just right, but it never seems to go as planned. But fear not, pancake lovers, because I've got a hack that will change your pancake game forever. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to pancake perfection. Grab an empty ketchup bottle, you know, the squeezable kind. It's the perfect tool for this hack. Give it a good wash and dry it thoroughly. You don't want any leftover ketchup mixing with your pancake batter. Now, here comes the game changer. Pour your pancake batter into the ketchup bottle. This simple step will revolutionize your pancake making process. That's right, we're using it as a pancake batter dispenser. It's so easy and convenient. This is pure genius, my friends. You'll wonder why you never thought of it before. You can now squeeze out perfect, evenly sized pancakes directly onto your griddle. No more guessing or uneven sizes. No more messy spills. No more uneven cooking. Your kitchen stays clean, and your pancakes come out perfect every time. Plus, you can store any leftover batter right in the bottle in the fridge. Talk about a win-win. Next time you're craving pancakes, just grab the bottle and you're ready to go.
We've all been there. You need to freshen up a room quickly before guests arrive, but you don't have time for a deep clean. Don't worry, I've got your back with this super easy hack. Grab a dryer sheet. You know, the ones that make your clothes smell amazing. Now find a fan in the room you want to freshen up. This could be a ceiling fan, a standing fan, whatever you've got. Take that dryer sheet and tape it over the back of the fan blades. Just a couple of pieces of tape will do the trick. Now turn that fan on. As the fan blades spin, they'll waft the fresh scent of the dryer sheet throughout the entire room. It's like instant air freshener and it works like a charm.
Raise your hand if you've ever lost your keys in the depths of your bag. It's a common problem that many of us face daily. It's like they disappear into a black hole of belongings. You know the feeling. You're in a rush and your keys are nowhere to be found. But fret no more, because this next hack is about to save you from those frantic, key-searching moments. Imagine never having to dig through your bag again. Grab a carabiner or a large keychain, something you can easily clip onto things. These items are not just for climbers or adventurers. They can be a lifesaver for anyone. Now attach your keys to that carabiner or keychain. Make sure it's secure so you won't lose them again. This is key, pun intended, because it gives you a larger, more accessible point of attachment. The bigger the keychain, the easier it is to find. Now, here's the game changer. When you toss your keys in your bag, clip that carabiner or keychain to the edge of your bag. This simple step can make a world of difference. This way, your keys are always within easy reach. No more digging, no more frustration. You won't have to dig through your entire bag just to find them. It's a small change that can save you a lot of time and hassle. Plus, if you're prone to leaving your keys in random places, the larger size and bright color of the carabiner or keychain will make them easier to spot. It's a simple yet effective solution to a common problem.
Laundry day. It's a necessary evil, but sometimes you need those clothes dry as soon as possible. Well, I've got a hack that will speed up your drying time significantly. Next time you're drying a load of clothes, grab a dry bath towel. That's right, a regular fluffy bath towel. Toss that dry towel into the dryer along with your wet clothes. Now here's the science behind the magic. The dry towel will absorb a significant amount of moisture from your wet clothes. This means your clothes will dry much faster, saving you precious time and energy. Plus, the towel helps prevent your clothes from getting too wrinkled in the dryer. It's a win-win.
We've all been there. You're cooking something on the stovetop, and suddenly it starts boiling over. It's a messy, frustrating situation. But fear not, because I've got a super simple trick to prevent those boilovers from happening in the first place. Grab a wooden spoon. You know, the kind you stir your pasta with. Now, here's the magic: place that wooden spoon across the top of your pot. That's right, just lay it horizontally across the opening. The wooden spoon acts as a barrier, breaking the surface tension of the boiling liquid. This prevents those large, messy bubbles from forming and spilling over the edge of your pot. It's like magic, but with science.
A clogged drain is the worst. It's slow, it's smelly, and it's just plain gross. But before you reach for those harsh chemicals, I've got a natural solution that works wonders. Head to your pantry and grab the baking soda and vinegar. These two kitchen staples are about to become your drain unclogging superheroes. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. Get ready for some fizzing action. The baking soda and vinegar create a chemical reaction that helps break down those stubborn clogs. Let the mixture fizz for a few minutes, then flush it with hot water. This powerful duo will have your drain flowing freely again in no time.
Last but not least, let's tackle that tangled mess of cables and chargers. It's a universal struggle, but I've got a super easy and free solution. Start gathering up those empty toilet paper rolls. That's right, those cardboard tubes are about to become your cable organization heroes. Take your cables and chargers and neatly fold them up. Now slide those folded cables right into the empty toilet paper rolls. Each roll can hold multiple cables, depending on their size. To keep things extra organized, label the outside of each roll with the type of cable it contains. You can use a marker, a piece of tape, or even just a sticky note. And there you have it, a simple, effective, and totally free way to organize all those pesky cables.
And there you have it, 10 life hacks that take less than 10 minutes but make a huge difference. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy hacks. Got any life hacks of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.